We're going to try something new. We're going to do a 2-day tutorial. So it's basically a 2-day version of our Agile Testing course, whole team approach to Agile testing. And we're going to have to figure out how to pare that down a little bit from 3 days as it is normally, but really got a good introduction to the whole experience of Agile testing with a team, building quality in with your team through the life of your daily tasks, an iteration, a release, just everything involved from start to finish.